Imagine driving down the road and suddenly your car feels like it is stuck in second or third gear and will not shift properly. This frustrating situation is often caused by code P084A, which relates to the transmission fluid pressure sensor circuit H. This sensor is usually tucked away inside your transmission on the valve body, and its job is to turn mechanical fluid pressure into an electrical signal for the computer. The transmission control module uses this information to time your shifts perfectly and keep the drive feeling smooth. When the voltage signal from this sensor does not match what the computer expects, the car often goes into what we call limp in mode to protect itself from damage. You will see the check engine light come on, and you will definitely feel a change in shift quality. The most frequent culprit is actually corrosion in the external wiring connectors because they are exposed to the elements under your car. Other causes include a failed pressure sensor, low fluid levels, or even internal mechanical issues like a stuck valve or a cracked check ball inside the transmission. To start your diagnosis, check for any other power-related codes first. Then, get under the vehicle and look at the connector for the transmission fluid pressure sensor. If you see any green tint or crusty buildup, that is corrosion. You can try cleaning it with electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush. If the connections are clean and the code keeps coming back, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter to test the signal terminal. With the key on and the engine off, you should see either 5 or 12 volts depending on your specific vehicle's requirements. If the wiring tests fine but the sensor is not sending the right resistance, the sensor itself has likely failed. Replacing this sensor can be a big job since it often involves dropping the transmission pan, so if you are not comfortable working with transmission fluid and delicate internal parts, this is the time to call a trained automotive technician. Remember that if you have to replace the control module itself, it will need to be programmed specifically to your car. Fixing this early will prevent long-term damage to your gears and get your transmission shifting like new again.